Welcome to Vlogmas 2022. So excited about Vlogmas this year. I have a goal of bringing you a video every single day for the month of December. It may be a full length video or it may be a short, but stay tuned for the ride. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with others, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas.
But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating the Christmas tree, and I'm going to be giving you a review and tutorial of this beautiful Kinkistry Koilistics 5x5 closure wig. She is bomb. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you don't miss the details of this beautiful unit. Keep on watching.
Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish, and as we decorate the tree, only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold, someone to walk you through the forest. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, around the mistletoe, my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I've got a plan that knows just what to do. I'm trying to tell you in every way.
So we're going to unbox our Kinkistry wig. Absolutely love this packaging. So let's see what we got. This is the Koilistics 16-inch 5x5 lace front wig. So we're gonna take her out, show you what she's looking like. This is fresh out of the box. Absolutely love Kinkistry's wigs, clip-ins, ponytails. Several videos that I'll link up in the cards above. But I'm so excited about trying this wig. So the curls are gorgeous. We are going to go ahead and wash her first before installing. But look at these curls, fresh out the packaging. Okay, so let's get into the inside of this wig. So we have two combs on the side, comb in the back, in the middle. And we also have an adjustable strap here. And again, this is the 5x5 lace front wig. And that lace is looking good. So we're gonna go ahead and wash her, shampoo, condition her, and let her dry. And we'll be back for styling.
'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold, someone to walk you through the forest. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but
I'm absolutely blown away by this wig. Glueless, like, you will definitely be seeing this unit on me a lot because she's bomb. Definitely going to add some temporary color to her. Oh, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Kinkistry never, ever disappoints. Like, I am so in love with this unit. Like, you cannot tell me that this hair is not growing from my scalp. Like, okay. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.